How you guys doing today? Welcome back. So I received a phone call from my buddy Dave, who had informed me that he was working on building something for his Jeep. So he called me up. I had all my camera gear with me, and I decided to go over there and film the process. Why don't you guys take a look?
I wanted to be able to move my Jeep top without having somebody else always there to pick it up and take it off and move it around. Anyone that's bought one is dumbfounded why they're spending $250 on literally a cart. It's 4 wheels and a little bit of metal bent to what I made out of wood. I was trying to make this top for less than $20. I had spare parts. I just needed to buy the lumber. I cut the boards to 4 feet, measured the height of the top, cut 2 boards into 3 feet sections, made a square. I took that third 4-foot board and I put it about 6 inches away. On the opposite end, I stacked 2 6-inch 2x4s on top of each other to give myself a 4-inch lift on the back. Once I put the top down, I knew that the window glass and everything would fit in that 6-inch gap, and then the 2 4-inch lifts would hold the top up so that it wasn't laying down and falling all over the place.
So you guys remember my buddy Dave from that video that nobody watched, right? Yeah, there he is.
This is another one no one will watch.
We're up to like 40 views now. Pretty good. It's my most least popular video out there. Beep, beep, beep. Yeah, but a couple awesome things is I do have a song which I linked below, which is in there, and also some new music for this one. Today I wanted to film my buddy doing some cool handiwork. He does all this cool work on his Jeep. He does it himself, and I thought this would be something perfect to film and share with you guys.
This is one of the more easy jobs that I've done.
Yeah, hopefully if you guys like this, I'll get back together and I'll film more stuff with him, Jeep related, if you guys want to see that.
Some of the Jeep related things I have coming up is putting a bed liner in, which is pretty intensive. That's going to be a lot of cutting metal, welding some sheet metal into the floorboards, taking the seats out, taking everything out, sanding everything down, getting a spray gun, taping everything, putting up tarps. It's very intensive.
Sounds like a lot of work.
Sounds like a lot of filming.
For me, I meant, not for him. He enjoys this. This is like a hobby for him.
This is what I do when I'm off of work.
It's almost like a job that, you know, he works for fun. Imagine the madness in all this. All right, well, thank you guys very much for watching.
Thank you.
Yeah, both of us, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, if you liked it, like it. If you want to share this, you'll be my best friend in the whole world.
And if you have any comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section.
But be nice.
And any questions about anything Jeep related on his channel, I'll be more than happy to answer.
Yeah, well, there you go. And also remember one more thing too, is if you're not subscribed already, subscribe. My channel is blowing up, and you want to be one to say that you were one of my first subscribers. And when I become super famous, and he's going to become famous too, get in on the ground floor now. Check you later.
I subscribed. You did.
So one more thing though is,
Would this be a really scary way to end my video?